So, boys and girls, it is time for writing workshop. And Pilot Joe is still with us today. And I want to teach him how to write an all about book with you guys. Yeah? So, the first thing we need to do is to think about a topic. And remember, when you think about a topic, you can think about people, places, things, activities that you love. I also have some ideas if some of you are having a hard time thinking of a topic. These are some of the things you can write all about. Friends, family, school, special places, books that you've been reading, bugs, animals, food, holidays, toys that you have and love, favorite things that you like to do, birthdays, pets, your teachers, vacations that you've been on, boo-boos, recess, cars, community helpers, or even yourself. Today, after talking to Pilot Joe, I was thinking about teaching him all about our school playground. So, another thing that writers do after they've think about a topic that they love, they have to touch and tell all about their topic across the pages. So on the first page, we can write all about the playground. And remember, there's a slide. We can draw a slide. There's a seesaw. There's a bench. Oh my goodness. Now, once we have that on our cover page, on page 1, we can teach about the slide. We can draw the slide there. Then on page 2, we can draw the seesaw. You know, the seesaw goes up and down. And on our last page, we can draw the bench. You know that bench when you get tired, you just go sit on the bench. So we can do that. Okay. So after we have thought about a topic and touch and tell all about what we can write about that topic, we can draw pictures. Okay? So today we're going to draw pictures. So remember on the first page, we said we are going to draw a bench, slide, and the seesaw, right? That will be our cover page. So this could be our cover page. Then on page 1, we can teach about the slide. Page 1, we can teach about the slide. On page 2, we can teach about the seesaw. See, boy and a girl. One is up, one is down. Oop, let's fix a triangle. And last, we can teach about the bench in our playground where we sit with our friends. Okay, so boys and girls, today we thought of an idea or a topic that we want to teach about. We touched and told everything we want to teach about that topic. And we drew our pictures. So tomorrow, when we come back, we can write to teach all about the playground. See you tomorrow, boys and girls.